How to add multiple photos to one Instagram story. Now it's easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. First, go and load up the Instagram app and head over to your profile page. You can then click on the plus icon next to your profile picture, and then just go and select any photo from your camera gallery. Now it doesn't matter which photo you select, as we're going to change this in just a second. Now click on the downwards arrow and select draw. You then need to select a color that we're going to be using as our background. So I'm just going to select a solid blue like this. You can then hold your finger down on the photo and it should change the entire screen to this color. Click on the sticker icon in the top right hand side and then select photo. Now select the first photo you want to add to this Instagram story. Once it's been added, you can use your two fingers and pinch them together, and you could go and resize and also reposition this photo. You can then click on the sticker icon again, and now go and upload your second photo you want to add. Just like before, we can go and reposition and resize this on the page. Now you can add multiple photos. Once you've finished, just press your story in the bottom left hand side, and that's how to add multiple photos to your Instagram story.